Icebolethu Funerals UK policies for South African members are set out in Ruby, Emerald and Diamond plans. These plans allow you to cover yourself and your loved ones back at home. The Diamond plan benefits include collection of the deceased from place of death, assistance with death registration, storage of body before repatriation, repatriation from UK to country of burial, funeral arrangements in South Africa with an optional newspaper announcement, a four-corner dome casket and wreath, family corsage, 250 funeral programs and an enlarged A1 photo, a hearse and 2 family cards, decor with floral arrangements, still water for the family at the ceremony and cemetery, a gazebo at the cemetery with covered chairs, green carpets, lowering device, and a PA system. There's no joining fee, no age restriction, no medical examination, and accidental deaths are covered immediately. Premiums are paid monthly or annually, and they start from as little as £25 per month. For more information, contact us on the details displayed on the screen. Celebrating 10 years of excellence.